Good evening. It is October 15th and I am out here capturing Hunter's Moon, also known as supermoon, which usually occurs every 4 years in November. And it's supposed to give off a orangish yellow tint, and it may be visible until morning, early morning. Of course, I won't be up that time, so not the greatest showing of it right now. It's about 8, maybe 8:30. I might come back out in a little bit or just peek out just to see if there's a change. But this is what it's looking like right now. See the clouds moving. Let me zoom out a little bit. I see that aura, the aura in it. And it's super close. You guys know we caught Red Planet Night, and that is also something we vlogged. You can go check out that video, but yeah, I haven't brought the kids out yet, but I will in just a minute before it hides. Alright, so this is a picture of blood moon, and it looks like this is actually morning. It's like early morning, so it will like I said, it will darken up and look like that. Hopefully you all get a chance to see the moon, because I don't think I'll get this uploaded tonight. But yeah, here we are. Hunter supermoon.
Supermoon. Can I go look at it?
You go look at it.
I'm gonna go look at it outside, alright?
Go look at it. Like I said, every 4 years, although it doesn't typically or it appears in October, but typically every 4 years it debuts in November. So, and just a little bit of history. The orange color is the moon near the horizon. So that is why it is orange. But yeah, like I said, hopefully we're able to catch it or notice it, something like that. Anywho, catch you guys next time. As you can tell, we are big astronomy buffs around here. Bye. You can see it really good through the camera. The aura around it is a little bit darker than it was when I came a few minutes ago. See? You look through the camera, you can see it real good.
There it goes.
Mom,
I'm back inside.
All right.
I can't see it. Can I use?
Looking through the camera. See that around? See how the light is around it? It's orange. The glow is better through the camera, but through the eye we can see the orange around it.
I'm not on.
And looking at other sightings, theirs looks the same. I'm not really sure what part of the country people are in, but I've seen several, and theirs looks the same. Some of them are not as clear as this one, but yeah.
I'll be right back.
You see it, Zai?
Yeah.
So we'll catch it on the playback, but this looks really good.
like the moon.
Yeah, you like the moon?